Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out Suno AI account. So first of all, launch open Suno AI application. You can see over here Suno AI application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the Explore interface. You can see over here right now I'm logged into my account. So if you want to log out of your account, simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Now what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options like my subscriptions, music model, appearance, etc. Find the option for logout. It is at last. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out Suno AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.